Don't download Landa Fractional Investing app before watching this. If you're thinking about Landa, stop for a moment. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another stock trading app, but the surprising truth is that Landa focuses on fractional investing, which comes with both advantages and hidden limitations. Landa allows you to invest in small portions of high-priced stocks like Amazon or Tesla, making it easier to diversify without a huge upfront investment. This sounds perfect, especially for beginner investors, but here's the catch: fractional shares can't always be sold instantly, and not all brokerages support transferring them to another platform. This reduces your flexibility if you want to move your investments elsewhere. Fees are another factor to watch. While Landa markets itself as low cost, some users overlook management fees, transaction costs, or foreign exchange fees if you're investing in international stocks. These small charges can slowly chip away at returns over time. The app also emphasizes automation and easy portfolio creation. It's great for hands-off investing, but if you want more control over timing, tax loss harvesting, or complex strategies, you might find it limiting. Most people assume fractional investing means full control, but the truth is, you're trading flexibility for accessibility. In conclusion, don't download Landa if you expect to actively manage every aspect of your portfolio. It's ideal for new investors who want exposure to expensive stocks with limited capital and who value convenience over full control. Before investing, make sure you understand the fee structure, liquidity restrictions, and the types of assets available. By knowing exactly what Landa offers and what it does, you can make smarter decisions and avoid surprises that could hurt your portfolio.